Welcome to an integration demo between Workfront and Jira using Put Forward. Looking inside Jira here, we see a list of projects, and now let's move over into Workfront to drill into those projects and start creating a bi-directional integration between the two applications. Getting into the home dashboard, we can navigate over to where the projects are, and from here we can navigate ourselves into the existing list of projects. And let's go ahead and create a new project. Creating the new project, let's name it appropriately, so demo project, and then hit save. Stepping into it, let's add a couple of attributes to this new project. Let's give it a brief description. All of these fields are available in the bidirectional mapping in between the Workfront and Jira environments. Now let's step into the Put It Forward environment and track how this integration is going. Stepping into Process Designer here, we see the end-to-end flow. We're going to quickly toggle that to active and hit run, and then move into the reporting environment here to be able to track what is moving through the integration as it's moving through the integration. So let's search and see where our integration is in process. Now this gives us the ability to drill into and track which fields, connector is running, and how they're moving through the integration in one step inside the actual integration process. So let's move into the Workfront part of the process itself here and see where the integration is at in terms of processing. We see a few fields have moved through here, and so now let's move into Workfront and Jira to track down what's been going on. Let's do a quick refresh of Jira, and we see that the project that we created in Workfront has been added into the Jira environment itself. And now let's move into the actual settings and begin to drill into some of the detail of what's been mapped across and created inside of Jira from Workfront. As we can see, the fields that we've been mapped and we updated in Workfront have been updated inside and created in Jira as well. Since it's a bidirectional integration, we can update it on this side and it will flow back into Workfront to keep everything in sync with each other in both environments. Save the details. Once the details have been saved, we're going to move back into Put It Forward. And as you can see, the process is now going to be running in reverse, essentially. Now, these can be run in real time, once a minute, once an hour, once a day, depending on whatever frequency you want. We've got everything set to a very high clock rate here, so it's going to be flowing very quickly. Drilling through, we're going to be able to see where the bidirectional integration from Jira back into Workfront is in terms of that process, and then we're going to be moving through it very quickly to track what is going to be updated inside of Workfront. Now let's flip over into Workfront and refresh the environment of our demo project. And here we can see that our project name has been updated as it corresponded to in Workfront. We can also drill into this and see that the subordinate fields that are attached to the project were updated as well. Now this works for all fields, times, tasks, etc. as well. Thank you for your time and attention in this Workfront Jira integration demo.